players are injured and they're not regular. So
also it makes a lot of difference. They are all of the players are not full-time players.
Yeah.
They are mostly working
and
taking out their time.
unfortunately, some match were washed out. So then we couldn't qualify for the first division. So the motivation level is very low. The players are just having fun.
The matches you played before with the Fjord and this match, what's the difference?
Difference is
Fjord has become better.
Definitely. I mean, definitely. If I think Fjord has recently they got a little success. Last 2-3 matches. They scored heavily.
The beginning of the season, they have
that's
5, 6, 7.
Of course. The game has improved. The game has improved. No doubt about it. Everybody is talking about. So this is very good news.
Now
this is the only This is the only Indian team over here. So it's a very good feeling that they grow up as a team.
That some of the players also can come up to the national team
Right,
level.
Definitely. There are chances. There are open chances.
Yeah. Now the spinners have been introduced. Ashish Patro is bowling from the commentator.
Not Ashish Patro, it's Pawan.
Pawan, sorry.
The youngest player of the team.
Okay.
Oh, Lalipai.
It's Pawan.
Ashish Patro is back keeper.
Okay, sorry. It's a medium fast ball and good length again. What about the good thing about the Fjord is that they are not giving a lot of wides.
Right.
All the balls are coming either short or full length, but straight.
See, this is the game because right now the bowler is not feeling any pressure.
Exactly.
Right. So they know it. The Clamsuru is not giving any fight. They have six wickets down. So they are when you have pressure, then you tend to bowl wide. Right. So this is the
so what
difference.
Actually, the pressure does it like takes your concentration off the ball or what you are doing, or is it more like you premeditate the shots or premeditate the ball?
When you're feeling pressure, you lose your focus. You're not focused. When you're not focused, you will not bowl on right length.
This is a concentration game.
The concentration game. At 6, the things are going in your mind. Right now, the bowlers are relaxed. He's feeling so relaxed. Then he's seeing his spot so nicely. So this is the game. It happens in international cricket also. When you watch cricket, when you watch
Today
national.
I was watching this India and West Indies match,
Right.
and then when they started hitting, the bowlers were losing focus suddenly. And they were very good bowlers. They have introduced some new boys, Nikita and some new bowlers which are like very fast bowlers, 140, 145, and swinging outside, inside at their control. But once what was his name? This Singh. He started hitting. And Mandeep also they started.
You're talking about India A, India.
Yeah. And then they started.
Yuvraj Singh is playing.
Yuvraj
I think.
Singh, yeah. So it can change through the game. Even the players are quite good. And
one more wicket gone. I think the match is finished already. Anyway, it was wonderful being in your studio and excellent. So see you again soon. And
I
wish
hope
you all the best for that.
next year.
I'll think about it.
Thank you. Thank you, Samir. Thank you. So we are back again with Parminder Malli and Manish Kakkad commenting from.
New batsman on the crease, taking his guard. Pawan is ready to bowl his next ball, adjusting his field. Short mid on to deep mid on, and long off is also outside the circle. Long off is on the boundary, and next ball, and he's played in a defensive mode. Pawan bowling really well. Line to line, wicket to wicket. And Mr. Pawan Agnihotri, and most experienced bowler and we can say player in Fjord Cricket Club. So it's over, 49 years old and still playing for cricket.
But I saw that the most of the fielders were on the offside.
That's why he is bowling wicket to wicket and line to line. So because he
What
took
is
his
the
ball
reason?
is on the offside, so he bowled according to his field actually. So that's a really good sign for Fuel Cricket Club.
That means he has the control over
He
the
has
ball.
control
that all
on
the
his-
balls will land on
yeah.
the offside.
His seaming and all. And the next bowler is bowling is changed, and it's Raman Khera who is telling us how he bowled the batsmen and what he did.
He's looking very happy after
He
taking
took
few
3 wickets today, and he is really happy for his contribution to the team.
Amar. On
And now it's Amar Jaini, another all-rounder from Fuel Cricket Club.
off break.
He's doing medium pace.
No, off break.
Off break actually.
Off break medium.
He is also mixing quite well his deliveries. So
Surprise the batsman. Main now. Man.
उस साइड बैठ जाओ.
A right.
Parminder Nal.
Oh, hello. Fielding there. That's not a right fielding for off spinner.
Yeah, there is,
it's a left-hand
only
batsman
two-
on the strike, so they have changed the fielders. They have took to deep fine leg and deep mid wicket, and
Oh.
ball is exactly on the off stump, and
Wide ball.
it wasn't white ball.
No, it was almost landing outside the.
But umpire
crease,
didn't
but
give it the
umpire
white
has
ball,
not
so it's
given
not a
it.
white ball inside the
Raman, no? Raman bar होना चाहिए
That
ball.
was strange.
Sweeper. On field.
Amar Jaini with another flighted delivery,
Oh, that was a
and
good
Pathan played it really well. Amar misfielded, and it's 4 runs. So another 4 bonus runs for Clemson Cricket Club.
It was a very nice straight drive. Right into the middle of the bat.
Yeah, exactly. Right in
Have you played
middle of
with
the bat.
Pathan before? Have you been playing with Pathan before?
No, actually, I had a few training session with him. So he is actually a good all-rounder for in Norwegian cricket.
He's a straight
So
batsman.
he can play all big shots, and
Oh, yeah.
as you can see this one, and it's a 4 run again.
Was it a pull or was it a
It was a full-bladed shot to the leg side.
Dara should be on.
And I think few have to think about him. As we saw him, he changed few matches in this league.
sweep? But these
This
batsmen
year-
are coming in and settling down, so it's very good for Clemson
Yeah.
that they have started
So
a partnership
Amar
now.
Jaini is ready for the next ball.
Oh,
Another swing
straight drive.
over the bowler's head, and long on is covering from the boundary end, and it's 2 runs.
And there was a crash.
It's a crash between bowler and runner, and I hope they both are fine, and cricket will continue. Yes, it is.
Shake hand and go on with the spirit of play.
Here we can see captain have changed the fielders. So is using his quick fielders to the boundaries, and that's actually a really nice move.
Raj Shetty has been moved to long off. Again,
Again, Pathan played it over fine leg, and it's a fielder in the deep. So it was a chance, but throw was little away
Off.
from the wickets. So 2 run for the Clemson Cricket Club.
अच्छा थर्ड मैन नहीं होना चाहिए ऑफ स्पिनर है ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉੱਤੇ ਲਾਓ
Another cheeky single by Pathan, and it's over. And Pathan rotate the strike very well, and he gonna hold the strike.
It looks as if the batsmen are reading Amar Zaini quite nicely. Is it the ball coming good to the bat, or maybe?
I think he
it's,
is
he's
bowling
not able
quite
to-
slow, is
Yeah,
trying
the
to flight
pace.
the ball, and
but Amar Jain is part time spinners
actually Amar Jain is a part-time bowler for Fuel Cricket Club, so it wasn't actually a good move by a captain
right now.
right now, as main bowlers was striking, and
bowlers
So the
So
spinners are not Amar Zaini, and who's other spinner for the Fjord?
it's a Pavan Agnihotri, Amar Malik, and spin on ball, Jeet Randhawa self can
is good.
spin a ball, and he's a good off spinner as well. And we don't have to forget Amritpal Singh. He is a good off spinner. He is the player who played for Norway under 19 few years back.
Even Amar Malli also is doing some spin bowling.
He's a leg spinner, so.
But he has been not used in these matches.
And now Pathan on strike. Pawan is back on his next over. And here we go. Again swing, and you can see it's 4 runs. Pathan is playing really hard, really well actually, swinging his bat in the air and getting some good runs.
Very nice.
We can see he got a good eye on the ball, and he is hitting freely. And now another fielding change, another change in the field, and we can see Dara is in the inner circle. Good fielder actually. Pathan came at and misfielded by Dara, and another single.
What was that shot?
2 ball, 5 runs. He tried to pull it out, and
it didn't come to the bat.
Yeah, it didn't come to the match, and he missed it. He missed it totally, and but he got a single, so no problem. Again, field change for the next batsman.
I think
Pawan is adjusting the field.
Coming back quite nicely. They have got
they are
partnership going on, and they look more positive now.
It's a wide ball. Keeper totally missed it. And batsman took quick runs between the wickets. Pawan is actually trying really hard to get his second wicket. As we can see, we have good supporters now. Next ball, again batsman tried. Actually, he didn't try to hit it. He played in a defensive mode, and he played it really well.
So we would like to update the score. The 60 for 7 in 10 overs.
Top edge, and batsman totally missed it.
I think the ball even swing in the air.
So that's the quality of Pawan. He can swing a ball in a both way.
In the air, right?
He can swing ball in the air as well. Here we got the updation for the score, 60 for 7. Fiore is quite struggling, and it's a close appeal by batsman, by bowler and keeper, and
the ball was
umpire is saying that ball was missing off stump. Impact wasn't in the line, so it's a not out.
1 ball to go.
And it's 1 ball to go.
1 more ball to go.
And score is 10 over 60 runs, lost of 7 wickets.
I think they are doing quite a good job at this, coming at the 7th and 8th position. So
again, Pawan bowled it. It was a little flight in the ball. Raj Shetty bowled really well. Oh, here we can say a little fumble. And umpire was almost hit by Raj Shetty.
Luck was with umpire.
We can say, yes, luck was totally with umpire.
The umpire was awake.
Yeah, he is actually not sleeping on the field. Another bowling change by Fiore Cricket Club. Dara is introduced by Captain Jeet Randhawa, and
he's a medium pace bowler.
He's a medium pace bowler. He can also
swing the ball
in the both ways. So
he's not a swing guy. He is good line of line.
He do have really good control on his bowling in line or length.
I think Fiore has been from the beginning doing good bowling, and they are keeping the line and length in control, and that's one of the reasons that Clemsrud has been under pressure and giving early few wickets.
Actually, I already told you, and Samir also told you that they have to score 8 to 9 runs per over, and that's a big pressure, you know. Here we talked about Dara, you can see the delivery on the good length and
shorter runs.
And we can see batsman is ready, bowler is coming for second delivery, and here is a full-bladed shot and direct to the fielder at long on, and left-hander again on the strike.
I think they should also try to have a fielder in mid-on where there are a lot of catches.
They have fielder in the mid-on, and as Captain Jeet, he is on deep mid-on. So
oh yeah, the left-hand batsman. Yeah.
So I mean left-hand on the strike.
I mean like mid-off region because a lot of shots. Have
Then
there. Yeah.
Mid-off is Raj Shetty. You can see standing deep mid-off.
Little bit inside the ring. Shot.
Here you can see a line by by Dara, and just a fumble with the ball, and that's a risky single actually. So he again Fury have to move his field as a right-hand batsman again on the strike.
Is it good for Fury right-hand side batsman on the strike?
Yeah, you can see actually.
We can took wickets for that side. Just 2 weeks.
Yes.
More to down.
Again, really good ball, and Pawan tried it really hard, and he missed it, man. It was a close chance.
Actually, it was a simple catch.
No, he ran.
It was a running catch, but you have to take it, man, when you are playing on a club level.
If
so
you're playing that side. On that position, you should take.
You should take this catch.
Very hard.
So ball was not.
It was possible actually.
Yeah, it was a possible catch, but he tried it hard, and
it was a good try from.
Good try for Pawan. Fury missed the chance. Fury missed the wicket here.
That was a crucial wicket because now the partnership is going.
Okay, next ball and batsman on strike, and hey,
full toss ball,
and he tried it hard
and
over the head of bowler umpire, and it's a good throw by Amar Mali on bowling end. And again a field change, right hand on a strike, right-hander on a strike, Dara on bowling, and here you can see leg glance, very well played by batsman, very well covered by Raj Shetty, direct throw to the running end. Manish Kakkar is leaving commentary box now.
He's tired.
Yeah, he is feeling a little bit hungry and moved to the food department.
कैसे भाई? इनकी बात कर वो बी टीम के काफी प्लेयर हैं. हेलो इधर देखो बी टीम के बारे में बात हो रही है.
So here we have a Fury B Cricket Club, and you can see the champs who are the runner-ups for the season in the 4th division.
And we have some sponsors as well.
And if you can see, we have some sponsors. So some sponsors who are here to watch the match of A team.
And we have some young boys during the practice.
And here you can see next season newcomer for Fury Cricket Club, Nitaj Nagra. And here you can see Manish Kakkar, quite famous personality in Fury B. He's a leg spinner for the team, and he's doing quite good bowling in this season.
Back to match.
Now we are back to match. You can see a few changes in the field. Pawan Agnihotra is bowling from the commentator end. Yeah, it is actually.
Left-hand batsman on strike.
Left-hand batsman again on strike. And Pawan is bowling, and he tried it again, but it's a fielder in the deep. Really good cover, really good fielding by Amit Pal Singh in the deep. Good throw, very well kept by Ashish Patro. As keeper is shouting. Swing and a miss. And keeper tried to stomp it. Appeal really hard. Umpire said no, it's not out.
कैमरा फुल कर दो.
Here we can see Fure Bay is discussing something about their matches they have played. Again, appealed by umpire, by bowler, and umpire said no, it's down the leg, and was missing leg stump. So it's a leg by. Again, right hand, left hand batsmen actually disturbing a bowler, disturbing a fielder. So again, here you can see very well played on the leg side, and it's a 4-run. Batsman played it really well over the infield and 4 runs. Some discussions with the bowler and the fielders, and we can see a few changes in the field soon. Yes, here we can see Dara is moving to the deep mid wicket, and
I think they should introduce Amritpal Singh now.
So you can see a vice captain and captain adjusting a field, and they have moved Raj Shetty to deep mid wicket and Dara to fine leg. So deep fine leg. I'm sorry. Next ball is up in the air. 3 bowler behind the ball, and they totally missed it. And you can see here they missed the chance. They missed the wicket again.
It caught by camera as well.
And very good camera work by Dhaliwal, and you can see it was fumble. It was misjudged by Captain Jeet Randhawa. He totally missed it. And can we see here Shamsru Cricket is fighting back. Yes, another move in the fielding. Pawan is upset. He is trying to bowl line to line. Pathan on strike again. Here we see another big LBW appeal, and Pawan got a big wicket of Pathan, and that can change a match for Fure Cricket Club. Pawan strikes, got a Pathan wicket, and it is a breakthrough what Fure Cricket Club was looking for. And Pathan is quite upset with the decision, but anyhow he have to leave the field, and Fure got his 8th wicket, and almost they are at home.
But I think the batsman also played cross, no? It was a full toss ball.
It was a full toss ball. Batsman misjudged it and got in on the pads and given
He's doing right.
LBW.
But he's missed the ball.
I think he was playing cross to a very high ball, no?
Actually, it was the low full toss, and he was doing actually right because the required run rate is over 12 runs per over, and he don't have any other chance to play this ball. So he had to play this, and he played it and he missed it. And Pawan got his wicket. Wicket number 2 in his 3rd over.
So all bowlers are on spot.
And Fure is back on track, and you can see Dara is back on bowling as well. Pawan actually got his wicket on the last ball of the over. Another good ball by Dara, very well played by batsman. Batsman is on strike, is a new batsman, and Dara is bowling. Oh, he tried to play it and missed it. Appealed by wicketkeeper, but we didn't see anything from the bowler, so umpire was not interested. Good defensive shot, the covers, but Omar Jenny was there, fielded really well. Throw was a little wide from the stumps, but Chelmsford Cricket Club didn't take any single. Another ball, another defensive shot by batsman. Here they are. What we are feeling now is they are trying to play whole 20 overs, not try to score the runs actually. Another ball by Dara and swing, and you can see shot down the mid-on, and good fielding by Raj Shetty. Here you can listen Mr. Raman Khera, who is hungry on the field actually. Another good Yorker by Dara. Batsman played it really well, and Raman fielded really well. It's over. Here you can see Mr. Manish Kakkar in sunglasses, and he is quite interested in commentary. So, but he is talking to his few B friends what they did in the last match. So they are talking about it. So they can't repeat these mistakes again. So this big smiling face is Mr. Manish Kakkar. Here Pawan, Mr. Pawan Agnihotri is back on attack, and you can see some field changes by Pawan Agnihotri as usual. He loved to set his field by on. He do have 30-year experience behind him, and here we can see batsman is on back foot, and we can see it's September, almost end of September, and really good weather for the cricket. Here again batsman on back foot, very well fielded by Dara. He was trying to stop it with his foot, but as we saw,
all
the fielders are in circle. Pressure is on batsmen, and Pawan, yes, wide of the off stump. Batsman swung it, and it's going down to the boundary, but Amar Jaini is on the field, so it's just a 2 runs. So batsman not missing any chance to hit the ball, which is outside the off stump. He is hitting it very well. Here we can see he played a late cut. Ball was in hands of fielder and took a risky single. Here we can see some changes in the picture by a cameraman. Here another ball up in the air. Pawan called by himself, and yes, he is playing now with the ball, and it's out. Pawan took a brilliant catch. It was high in the air, took his time, came under the ball and taken.
Feud win the match.
So Fure won the match. Fure won the match by 70 runs. It's a big victory. Clean sweep we can say for Fure Cricket Club. So Fure Cricket Club signing off the season on a winning note, and it's handshakes between the players, umpires, and both the teams.
And you must also tell the good bowling by attack they have done.
The bowling bowling of Fure Cricket Club we saw today at their best. Fielding is at their best. They just missed 2 catches. They won the match with a big difference. Here we can see handshakes between the players. It's the last match of the season. Season is ending here.
Summer season.
Actually cricket season is ending in Norway. It was the last match of